Hi, I'm Colin Fassnidge and this is
May
and,
Lily.
and today we've been challenged by the Heart Foundation to cook a heart healthy dish in line with coals. So today we're going to cook a sweet potato. What type of sweet potato?
Loaded.
We're going to use less salt, more spice, legumes, lots of herbs, lots of healthy vegetables. Step one, sweet potato. We're going to bake it in the oven. For our loaded sweet potato we need onion, garlic, capsicum. So what are we going to do with this in a pan?
We're going to sweat them down in oil.
Okay, I'll bring the pan over. So you add your oil, okay. Now we add our...
capsicum, onion and garlic.
Get that on the stove. Okay, so now we add...
Paprika, coriander seeds and chili flakes.
Chili flakes or powder. Go, bang it in there. We need some tomatoes, Lily. Chop me up some tomatoes. Beautiful tomatoes. Our sweet potatoes just come out of the oven. Look at this, guys, come in. Nice and soft. Beautiful. All right, Maeve. I'm also gonna need some...
coriander.
Just chop me a little bit of the tips. Watch your fingers. I don't like loaded finger beans. Okay, so our capsicums, onions, paprika and all our herbs are sweating nicely. Add your tomato. We'll add our low salt cannellini beans. You can higher the heat now. You want it to get nice and gooey. Add some, half the coriander, Maeve, half. I'll put it all in, go crazy. Oh, Maeve, who's gonna clean the stove?
You.
After 10 minutes, everything's nice and reduced. We're gonna add a little bit of spinach in there. A little bit more coriander to freshen it up. A little squeeze of lime juice just lifts the flavour. Then we're just gonna stir that through the heat. This needs to go into our sweet potato. Sweet potato's nice and soft. You make a little incision, right? Just down the middle. Keep the skin, because the skin is beautiful. And then what we do is, we push it, and that makes a little sort of cup for our beans. That's good, that's good.
Overloaded.
Overloaded. We've got overloaded sweet potato today. Okay, guys, so this is our...
Loaded? No, overloaded.
Overloaded sweet potato. Lots of spice, lots of herbs, no salt. This was Cooking with Colin,
Maeve and Lily.